Today we have a lecture number 2. The main topic is the computer system. Hardware is our subtopic. Okay, what is hardware? The physical component of a computer system that we can see and touch are called hardware. Okay, for example, input and output devices, storages, and CPU, central processing units, are the example of hardware. What are input and output devices? Input devices that accept from the users and convert it into a form that computer can understand. These are the examples of the input devices. Barcode reader. What barcode reader is? Here we have a barcode reader. Look at the mouse. There. This is the barcode reader. You may have seen the barcode readers on the products like grocery items and clothes. A barcode is a unique combination of a vertical bar. This is a vertical bars that represents product information such as price, place of manufacturer, etc. The cashier uses a barcode reader to scan the barcode. This is the barcode reader. This one. Okay. On each purchase item which gets input into the computer uses the barcode to identify the product. Next one is magnetic ink character. A magnetic ink is a special ink that contains magnetic particles of iron oxide. A magnetic ink character reader can scan characters printed on in magnetic ink. This technique is called the magnetic ink character recognition MICR. MICR is used extensively in the bank. Okay, in the banks because magnetic inks characters are difficult to for forgery. This makes them ideal for making and identify checks. Checks usually have the check number, bank code, and branch code printed in a magnetic ink. This information is scanned by a magnetic ink character reader, and the checks are sorted city-wise or branch-wise. Okay. This check is basically shows MICR characters on a sample check. Okay. Nowadays, QR codes are new style of a barcodes. This one are the basically in a square shape that can store enormous data. Smartphones are able to scan and read QR. Next one is optical character reader. An optical character reader is a device to input normal printed and or handwritten text. The process first produces a digital image of the text. Character recognition software is the used to convert the image into character codes that can be understood, stored, and produced by the computer. This technique is called optical character recognition. Optical mark readers. An optical mark reader is a device capable of reading printed form used this one okay is used for object type exams with the boxes of a circle that can be filled with a dark pencil or ink. When a light beam is passed through such a form, the marked areas reflect less light than the unmarked ones. This way, the optical mark reader recognizes the boxes of a circle that are filled. This technology is called optical mark recognition OMR. It is commonly used to checking answer sheets of exam that have multiple choice questions. Okay, this one. This image is basically showing the answer sheet which we use in the examination. Next one is a card reader. The card reader are used. This one, the card reader. The card readers are used information stored on a card such as magnetic strip cards or a smart card, gift cards like this, gift card, magnetic strip cards. Okay, stored on a magnetic strip. When the card is swiped through a particular magnetic card reader, it reads the information quickly and accurately. Okay? Smart card look like magnetic strip card but contains a small chip instead of magnetic strip. Most of the credit cards and debit card issues by the banks nowadays have both a chip and the magnetic strip. They store more data than the magnetic strip card. A smart card reader can read and write data on the card. Petrol companies and department stores use smart cards to keep track of customers' shopping history. Okay, satellites, television companies use smart cards in their receivers to store the code that is used to decode satellite signals and display pictures. Okay, this is the card reader. Clear? Next one we have is output devices that convey information from the computer to the user. For example, liquid crystal display projector, braille printer, lotus. What are the braille printers and what are the liquid crystal display projector? Liquid crystal display projector means LCD projectors shows the output from the computer on a large screen. This one, large screen, it is commonly used for displaying presentation during meeting and conferences. Blair printer or embosser produced Blair printouts a pattern of raised dots of a computer file that it works with the software that translate text to braille. Okay. Plotter. A plotter is a printing device that is used for creating high quality graphics, charts, graphs, tables, and diagrams. Plotters use ink pen or inkjet to create graphics on paper or polyester film. They are commonly used in computer aided design CAD, CAD, okay, and computer aided manufacturing CAM for printing plans for house, car parts, machinery, etc. Plotters are of four types: drum plotter, this is a drum plotter, flatbed plotter, inkjet plotter, and micrographic plotters. Okay, you have to write these questions in your copy. This is all for today's lecture. Thank you. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.